commissioned this cooperative store constructed by Dinu through office of the Prime Minister. I have inspected it. I have listened to all the speeches from the people who are involved in it, and I believe that it is a very good achievement by the government through Dinu. Use it well so that it brings prosperity to the members.
Minister lo akironu koteso Clement Kenesongalo ngese balebe ekote Engarenok lo Asusaitin eswamanar keditunga teteri medaunete ikali akech
Ludajo Niroja Ruja Jajo Kampala Jajo Nairobi Bonyi daoja Ruja Ejokuna noija kwenyu Dage ona second Anibe Ruja lo abei Anibe Railo mame pedori. That is what these old men did. They dreamed, and when they woke up, they put the dream into practice. One of the challenges we have, because one of the steps to becoming rich is knowing that you are poor.
Apollo Kinitone project lo Dinu Peres Muchumbizi ngese balebe adautu kesi aswamnuke kwanado medauna ka kesi jasi kede pelu awanyu ne beja unosisirigino kali yake.
A challenge that most cooperatives have in the country, you find that those that are governing, sometimes they take it personal, and that excludes many people, and the service that was meant to benefit many does not eventually help people. But what we are also doing with this is that we are working with the district commercial officers. They are the ones that are in charge of making sure that cooperatives work, and they are giving them trainings, even including governance and others.
Apollo Kinitone Asusaitin na cho wa Sub-County Farmers Cooperative Society Limited ngese balebe epote kesi ya ibara koto makoru na itabari ingara kita Asusait
adolo kinado kada uta kona sai Aitolol ni kinyomolu erasi lo ajoka kakere konya mabiko tasala kinne bikoto so agiare Aitolol ni ibore na nyarto si musugu ne finished product, that is processing. Agiare Aitolol iboro lu amiti sochi tebe igwa ekino sokoni dumunete market nisi wamiti konye ngulu kere sama unosi ibo makinetonga.
Kanuka TV East Abraham Elapo ko district loko Kapele Biong.